Your booking form collects a name and a time slot, but what you actually need to know before that appointment lands on your calendar is a lot more than that. Does this client have contraindications for the treatment they're booking? And have they signed consent before you even schedule them? For an event with 20 seats, do any of the attendees have dietary restrictions you need to know about in advance? That gap is what most businesses patch with a separate tool, and then spend time manually connecting what someone filled out to what actually shows up in their calendar. Here's a different approach. Amelia and IvyForms are both built by the same team, the same people who also built VP data tables. So instead of a third-party connector you're hoping holds together, we built a native integration between two tools designed from the start to work as one. IvyForms sits in front of your Amelia calendar as an intake layer. The client fills out your form first, whatever questions you need answered, and when they submit, the Amelia booking calendar loads immediately after. You can attach a different intake form to each service or event in Amelia. Let me show you two scenarios where this actually changes how your workflow runs. A psychologist needs clients to answer intake questions and confirm informed consent before they can see the calendar at all. With IvyForms conditional logic, the form adapts based on what the client selects. If they indicate the specific condition, the relevant follow-up questions appear automatically. Only once the form is complete does the scheduling step open. You're not chasing paperwork after the booking. You have what you need before it's even confirmed. If you run workshops, corporate training, or any event where you need to collect details from attendees in advance, such as meal preferences, accessibility requirements, any information the organizer needs, you can build that into a single intake form tied directly to the event booking in Amelia. Now here's what matters for your team on the back end. When any of this data comes in, you don't have to go looking for it. Open the appointment in Amelia, and the form submission is linked right there to that booking record. To set this up, go to your Amelia dashboard, click Features and Integrations, and find IvyForms. The integration itself is completely free and works perfectly even if you're using the free versions of both Amelia and IvyForms. You'll only need to upgrade to a paid IvyForms plan if you want to unlock advanced features like conditional logic. Drop any questions in the comments. Both teams are watching. If you're already using IvyForms, the link to the Amelia integration is in the description. See you next time.